People moving around. I am at a traffic stop. People moving around. I mean, it's not as deserted. This is like a coffee shop. That one is a cosmetic shop. That Arenal. This one is a fashion shop, toy shop, jewelry shop. This is lottery shop, phone shop. They're all closed. This is a supermarket. Only supermarkets are open. Hola, buenos días. ¿Tenéis guantes para aquí? Para esto. Sí, guantes. Necesitamos guantes aquí para los carros, ¿eh? Sí, ya lo sé que están allí, pero te necesitamos aquí. I was telling them that they need to put gloves for the carts, for the shopping carts, beside the shopping carts, because we need to handle them with gloves. So I need to get the gloves here. Before I touch the shopping carts. This life is not easy, but yeah. To show you that they only want you to buy essentials, they cordoned off this place. They feel you don't need these things at this time. See how they cordoned it off? See this area? They cordoned it off. You can't buy pots and pans, you can't buy bed sheets and all those. They feel you have enough. Yeah. For now, you're only allowed to buy cleaning supplies, food, toiletries. Yeah. You see how they cordoned off this whole place? You're not allowed to buy from there at this time. So I'm looking for tissue. Hopefully there's tissue if UK and US people have not come here to buy them all. No tissue. No tissue. Only this very expensive one, 13 euros for a pack of 24. Yeah. Only this one. Scottex. This one. So I'm going to buy this one. No me estorba en absoluto. ¿Una distancia de qué? De metro y medio. 1,5 metros de cada persona, vale. So the announcement is that we should maintain a minimum of 1.5 meters distance from the next person. You can't buy clothes, that's a clothes section. I'm looking for rubbing alcohol. Perdón, por favor. ¿Dónde puedo encontrar alcohol? No hay. No hay. Sí, está. Vale. ¿Hace cuántos días? Hace muchos días. Vale. She's checking for me if it's in her cart. No hay. Vale. She said that it's been days since they run out on alcohol. This life, man. I don't know if I'm supposed to be touching my phone with this glove that it's probably infected. I don't know. When I get to the car, I'll rub it with the wipes I have in the car. This life is difficult. Like when you think you've got everything in control, you touch your face. My face has been so itchy. Yeah. I don't know if it's normally like this, but maybe because I'm conscious of not touching my face, I've noticed that my face has been so itchy. But I can't touch my face with the gloves. This life is not sweet, I tell you. There are quite a number of people at the shops, I must say. One thing I think we've got in control is that we are not doing panic buying. This supermarket, it's only the tissue that I noticed that they are running out on, but every other thing is here. Vegetables, there are lots of vegetables here. So yeah, the only thing I couldn't find here is spinach, leafy spinach. I'll go to another supermarket now. I need to check my list to make sure that I bought everything I need to buy from here. Yeah, I need to buy cookies for my kids. This is their favorite cookie, Costa Rica. Okay, I think I've bought everything I need to buy in this supermarket. The first war zone over. Madre mia. Yeah, it's like a war zone, like your brain is in overdrive. I know I made some mistakes, like I want to reach for my wallet and I'll remove my gloves, finish touching my wallet, then put, I don't know, at some point I was confused, but yeah, as I tell you, it's only washing of hands that can save us in this thing. When I get home, I'm just wiping down with a wipe. When I get home, I'll wash my hands thoroughly and yeah, go easy, rara, go easy. Now I'm going to the next supermarket because I couldn't find leafy vegetables here. And that supermarket is where we normally buy frozen spinach. I need to buy frozen stuff now because more of frozen stuff. I don't like using frozen spinach for my sides. You know how I say that I always like green vegetables in my either jollof rice or yeah. Obviously I can't continue to do leafy vegetables now. So I'll have to stick with frozen. Yeah. Frozen and manage it like that till the storm is over. I tell you, I don't know when this will be over. Look at all the shops, look at all the small businesses you can imagine, all the restaurants. Anything that is a restaurant is closed. All the fashion shops are closed. Yeah, everything except pharmacies, supermarkets, yeah, that are open now. Let me go and try my luck in Mercadona. Mercadona is the first supermarket that started running out on groceries. So let me go and try my luck and see if they have anything there. Mercadona. That's where I'm going. For crowd control, this door remains closed. Sorry for the inconvenience. This supermarket has two doors, so for the life we are living now, we'll only use one entrance. When I saw that note, I thought they were closed, so it's good news that they are open. Oh, there's spinach, there's spinach, there's spinach. No frozen spinach.
Ahora viene esta, ¿verdad? Viene. Vamos a ver. Es así. Fíjate, mi niño.
The red lines are the safe distance you have to keep. You can't stand closer than that. Yeah, overconsciousness, they worry us. As you're walking down the aisle, if someone is coming, both of you will move to the end, like very close to the counters. Madre. This is not the life, eh? It makes you think before you take a step. Yeah. Makes you overconscious of everything you do. For school, I would say that is the greatest change to our routine in this coronavirus era. Yeah. Today is Wednesday, anyway, for reference. Last Thursday was the last day my kids went to school. And, Thursday they went to school, normally came back, we didn't hear anything about closure of school. But in the evening of that Thursday, we received broadcasts. Parents were sharing it on WhatsApp. People were forwarding, how WhatsApp messages go viral. Yeah. So everybody was forwarding a lot of things. But finally, I went to their school website and I saw the announcement there that they shouldn't come to school the next day, which was Friday. And bear in mind that they closed school impromptu. So my kids didn't come home with all their books, and it's so with a lot of students. Nobody was prepared. Initially, on the Friday, they sent out another broadcast that parents should come on Monday, the day before yesterday, to come and take their books, the children's books, but eventually they canceled that as well before we got to Monday. I think on Sunday, they said, no, that's been cancelled again because they didn't want to take the risk of parents converging at the school gate, which makes a lot of sense. Yeah. Okay, they have a virtual area on their website called the virtual classroom. Teachers started uploading the schoolwork on this area. If they're required to read a particular chapter, they upload that chapter for them to read and do exercises. If it's an exam, they upload what they need to read before they take the exam. And we, the parents, we've become homeschoolers. We learned sharp, sharp learning curve. Usually what we use this area for is to send emails to the teachers, correspondence, basic stuff. So this is just a simple website. It's not built for the amount of traffic it's receiving now, but it has improved by today. But on Monday, it was chaos. You couldn't get access to the website. It was so difficult to get in. There were a lot of things to download, and when you can't even access the website, you can't talk of downloading anything. So yeah, it's back to normal now. Everything is back to normal. By yesterday evening, when their website started working very well, there was already a lot of information in there, for things they needed to do on Monday and things they needed to do yesterday, which was Tuesday. And yeah, I was going crazy trying to get them to do this, do that. So I created this Excel spreadsheet to keep everything organized, to keep a tab on everything. So you can see this is Neddy's page. Neddy has a lot more assignments or schoolwork than Kamsi. And this one is Kamsi's page. So yeah, you can see that we are so behind. We've done this one, this is the one Ned is doing. When she's done, I'll change it to green. Number 6, how many remaining? 4. So Ned is writing a test. She just finished reading the book. This one is doing comprehension. See the material. So yeah, we are getting a hang of it. We are home for 2 weeks. I don't know if I said that. They said at least till the 26th of March. We don't know what will happen beyond the 26th of March, but as far as we know, we are at home till the 26th of March, which is 2 weeks, 10 days of school. The people that will find it difficult is a family where, for instance, if I had traveled at this time, it would have been really bad for us, I and my husband, because my husband is still going to work. And yeah, if it had happened when I was away, it will be very difficult to get someone to be coming from home to come and be taking care of these kids the whole day. At this time, I wouldn't want someone to be coming from outside this house to be coming to take care of them. And usually, we organize it in such a way that when I need to travel, the children are in school, because at that time, it's easier to get a nanny to just come in the morning, stay with them while they get ready for school, because my children, they can get themselves ready for school, they can make their own breakfast, they just need an adult to be here with them. And then afterwards, the person will take them to school, and that's it. And they will stay on school extension. They have lunch in school, and my husband will pick them up on his way back from work. So it works out pretty well for us when I'm away. But for this kind of situation where they are at home the whole day and where they need to do all this schoolwork, who would have been able to do it for them? So I'm really happy that I am here now that this thing is happening. That's where we're at. We're on lockdown. There's a lot of restriction, even fines. You have to pay a fine if you cannot, give a good reason while you're out and about.
Por favor, las autoridades sanitarias aconsejan que vuelvan a sus domicilios y abandonen los parques. Muchas gracias.
You're not allowed to do a lot of things, like in front of my house is a busy street. But if you look out there now, it's like the streets are deserted. Like I said earlier, you're allowed to go shopping for food, medicines, every other thing is closed. Restaurants are closed. You're allowed to walk your dog. They say you can't go beyond 1 kilometer radius or something like that, that it has to be close to your house. You're allowed to go to work. For instance, my husband is at work now. If your office is still working, you can go to work. What else can you do? You're not allowed to jog. All the parks are cordoned off. Yeah. I'll put clips of, any clips that I can get. Of course, I myself, I cannot go out to get these clips because that would be breaking the law. But I'll insert clips that I find on the internet for you to get an idea of what it's like here. Like I said, school is the only thing that is a huge change for us. For instance, grocery shopping, we usually go once a week during normal times. So by the time they put us on lockdown, we had food. For instance, they did the lockdown on Saturday, but we didn't need to go shopping on that day because a friend of mine called us on Wednesday and told us that there was nothing in one of the supermarkets, Mercadona, that we should go and do some shopping. So we went to do some shopping on that Wednesday. So we didn't need to go shopping during the weekend anyway. But by Monday, we ran out on fresh vegetables, leafy vegetables mostly. I mean, there's still food in the supermarkets. Yeah. So this is the life we have now. I don't know. I'm so busy homeschooling. I've become a teacher, like teacher now. I just hope that we pull through this. Looking at the map, you can go to corona.help to keep up to date with what is happening in every country that is affected by this, number of deaths, number of people infected, and number of people that have recovered. Yeah, it's a very nifty website, and I think it's an individual that set up that website, corona.help. Yeah, very helpful. I usually go there and look at what is happening. With that, I'll say it's me, Flo, reporting from my coronavirus bunker in Spain. Bye-bye. See you soon.